So in this tutorial here, which is called Laravel 8 image upload, the easiest way of uploading image to Laravel application. We created a simple gallery where we were able to upload images to the web, and then after uploading the images, we'll get this success message: the image uploaded successfully. Now in this tutorial, we are going to look at how we can link a Laravel application in Telegram in a way that every time you upload the image, we are going to get updates in our Telegram group, that is the image title, and then the update of the image description and the image itself. Okay, so you can use that in any other application, but in our context we are using this in a simple gallery. So let me show you how it's going to work. So if we go back to the upload form, so this is our form where we can input the image title, just my profile. Let me just use my profile, and then here we can do image description. And then after that we can now choose the image, and then let's just choose the image like this, and you hit an upload image button. So you see the image has been uploaded, right? And then after that, if we go to our Telegram, I'm using a Telegram desktop, so if I just hit on this button icon here and then go scroll upwards, I'm going to get this group. I created a group called Laravel that is just for doing this. And then if I scroll down, you find the image that I've uploaded, right? You find the image that I've uploaded. So you have the image title, image description, then the image itself. So we have uploaded here, and you've got the image title, the image description, and the image itself uploaded to a Telegram group. It can be a group or a channel. So let's go back and do another one. Let's choose another image. So you can just click on this and hit on upload image button. So the image has been uploaded successfully, and if we go to the Telegram group, we get the image here. So you have the image description, the image title, and the image itself here. So that is what we are going to do in this section. Please consider subscribing. You can like and you can comment. Okay, let's start. So welcome again guys to my channel, and in this tutorial we are going to look at how we can integrate Telegram with our Laravel application. And doing that, we are going to use this project that we just worked on in the last tutorial. And in that project we were able to create a simple image gallery where we have this form. You enter the image, a title, for example, any title, and then you can enter description, and then you just click on the and choose file, and you can select file, and then you click on upload image. You find that image has been uploaded here, right? So this is what we worked on in the last tutorial. But in this tutorial, we want to learn on how we can integrate Telegram so that every time we upload a new image, the image title, the image description, and the image itself, it is going to be uploaded to our Telegram group. And so the first thing is to do what? There is called laravel-bot-SDK. And so the first thing is just search for laravel-bot-SDK. And then you'll find this documentation, and you just scroll up to here. This is the installation section, and on the installation section you have this composer require, this one, that, and then you just go to the projects directory. So my project is in the XAMPP, htdocs, YouTube, image upload, and then you just paste and then hit enter, and that will start installing this Telegram SDK. And as that installs, there is something and there's an error. There is a way you can install it by just removing the version, by just doing that, just remove that like that. So leave it just the way it is like this. It will go, it's going to install the version that is compatible. So just hit enter like that. Yeah, so it is going to install version 3.4. That is the latest version. So that is the latest version. Don't put version there. Just do like this, and it's going to install the latest version. And as that installs, there is something that we have to do. On our Telegram, we need to do one thing. We'll need to create our bot, that is the robot. And then we'll also need to create our group, the group that we want our messages to be logged in every time we upload images. And we also need to add that bot that we have created into that group and make it admin, and it will be able to forward those messages, right? So for us to create a new bot, we have something we call a Telegram bot father. So bot father, that is like the father of all the bots. And if I just search at bot father, you'll find that you have bot father here, and the bot father will help you to create bots, right? And after going to bot father, you just do /start. So after doing /start, it is going to give you a couple of commands, and you choose this new bot command because you need a new bot. So just click on new bot, and then it will ask you what you want to name that bot, and you just do I really don't know how to call it, youth and just call it like that. I don't know if Laravel image forwarding bot. I really don't know if this will work, but let's just remove that Laravel bot. Let me try that and see. Now we will call it Laravel bot. That has gone through. Good. Now let's choose the username. So the username, I will try again that one, Laravel bot, and see. So that is taken. Let me try another one, Laravel_bot. That is already taken. Let me try laravel_bot, like that, and that is available. So this is the name of our bot. And after doing that, you realize that it tells you done, congratulations on your new bot, you will find at this. So this is the new bot, right? It's called Laravel. This is the laravel, that is the name of the bot. This way. And then the most importantly is that we have this token, right? This is the token. This is the very important thing that we need, the token. So the token is the reason why you create this bot. You have the bot here, and then we now have the token. Now after that, we will go back to the code. Let's see if it has already installed, and it has installed. So after installing, we have to publish. We have to do PHP artisan publish artisan vendor publish. So just do PHP artisan vendor publish. It's going to publish all this. So you can choose just one, and the one that you have to publish, this one, as you can see, Laravel, this one, Telegram service provider. You can just choose 10 or just 0 to publish everything. So I just taken 0 to publish everything. And after doing that, if you go inside the config folder, let me show you. If you go inside the config, you see inside the app and then config folder, you are going to get the file that is called telegram.php. Telegram.php, and this we have the file. So inside the telegram.php, we have the username, we have the token. So the username, this is the username of our bot, and we called it laravel-bot, like that. So that is the username. And then the token is, you can store it as a .env variable, or you can just paste the token here. And what you're going to do for now, you're just going to copy this token. And after copying that token, we are going to paste it here. Well, after that is done, we have to go back and create another group. So let's just go back, and I want to create a group for testing this. Just do Laravel. I'll just call like it that way. Then next, I'll just select and one user, and then create. So this is our group we have already created, right? So we have already created that, and after creating that, we'll just click on this group and go to members, and we can click on add members, and here we'll search that group, that bot is Laravel _ bot, and you find that we have it here. So Laravel bot is here, so just click on it and then add. So it is one of the members of our group, but then you have to make it admin. So just go back here and right click and promote to admin, and give it those privileges and save it. So we are done now. So we have created the group, and the group we have called it Laravel, and then we have added that bot and given it admin privileges. Now it is the turn to write code. Okay, so the first thing is a way that we need what we call chat ID, and chat ID will help us. We cannot get chat ID unless we get updates from that group. So what you are going to do, you are going to the web.php, and you are going to create another route, and this is the route I've already created. Actually, just create the route called, it can be get updates, and this get updates, you have to create a function called tele-update. So tele-update, or you can call it anything. You'll go to the image controller, And then below this function, you are going to write another function, and we are going to call it that, right? And remember one thing, that we have already installed but we have not imported. So after installing, make sure you do use Telegram, like that. Make sure you do that. And then Telegram has a method called get updates. Okay, so we can do something like this. Updates is equals to Telegram and then get updates, like that. So that method is going to return updates, and then you just do you can just dump and die updates when someone visits that route, like that. So if this works, we are going to get all the updates in our group, the updates of the chat in our group dumped on our browser. So let's go to the browser and test. So if we go to the here and we just do bot get updates, like this, you see that we have an empty array. And why is it so? Because there's no any update in our group. So let me just send a message like hello and hit enter, and after that I'll refresh again, and it is still there's no updates. So we'll send another one. Well, it is not getting updates. Let's refresh our application and then again do it. So it is bot get updates, and it is empty. I really don't know why. So let's look at the privilege of our bot. I don't know if it has the privilege of sending the So you see the reason why that is so, it says has no access to messages. So I think that is the reason why. So let's just click and then click on promote to admin, and let it access. Let us just give it all those privileges. Delete ban between message manage voice. So let's just do it and save. So we have made it. It now has access to messages. You can see access to messages. So again, if we send another, let's refresh and see. So it has no updates because we made it admin when before somebody, after people send messages. So let's just do hello. And after doing that, let's refresh and see. And there we go. Now we have the array of that update. Let's just click on that, and click on the message. So what we are looking for is what we call chat ID. So just click on chat here, and as you can see, our chat ID is here. So the chat ID is very important. So just copy this chat ID, right click and copy, and go to the .env file, and there we are going to add we are just going to add there Telegram chat ID, and will is equals to that, like that. So just do like that and then save that. So we are done with that now. So we are done with that. We are done with setting the chat ID. We have already set up the token. We have already set up the bot username. So the next thing is how to send messages. So how do we send messages? And at what point are we sending those messages? And I told you that after somebody has uploaded image, that is when we are sending the message to the Telegram group. Well, so what we are going to do here, meaning that we are going to send here, this is the place where we are going to send the messages. And Telegram has this Telegram bot SDK has a method called send message. So just do Telegram send message. And that message takes an array like that. It takes various parameters. And the first parameter is chat ID, and the second parameter is the pass mode, and then what you want to pass. So what we are going to do is this. So the first thing is chat ID, chat underscore ID, and that is the ID that we just saved in the Telegram in the .env file. So it is env, and then it is called Telegram underscore chat underscore ID, and if that is not there, it will be blank like that. Then after that, we need the pass mode, pass underscore mode, and the pass mode is going to be HTML. And then after that, you have the last. Now what do you want to send? So I just do hi. Let's just do h1. And then we'll just do hi. A new image has been uploaded. So we are just going to test with that, right? So let's just save everything, and after saving, we go back to application. And we'll just select another image. So let's take any other image. Let's just take an image like this, and then hit on upload button. And say, oh, what did I do? Oh, I'm very sorry for that. So let me just cut that. So there should be text. You should do text like that, and that text should be that now, like that. So let's just save it and then refresh. And so I just do let's just remove that. It has been uploaded, and if you go to the Telegram, you see what? Hi, new image has been uploaded. So as you can see, we are able to send our first message. But then that is a hard-coded message, so we have to send every time the image is uploaded. We want to send the image description and the image title. So in the last section, you are able to upload the image, and then you are able to send the message to the Telegram. But that message was that just the one that we wrote here, like the image has been uploaded successfully. But then instead of sending this message, we want to send the image title, the image description, and the image itself. So for us to do that, you'll have to define the text that you want to send and get the properties from the image that we upload. So we can just do the variable and call it text, and it will be equals to, first we want the title, just do the title. So that's going to be the title of the image, and you can get it from the request. So we'll just do request title, and then we need description. So what we are going to do is we are going to concatenate that with a break line, a new line like that. And then we are going to concatenate it with the description. So the description of the image, you can get it through request and then description. You did desk like that. So that's going to give us the description of the image that you uploaded. I think that is it. So after that, so instead of sending the message as this, we are just going to send the text variable here. Okay, so and for us to do that, we're just going to remove this here and replace it with the variable like text. So let's save and try it again. So we go back to the browser, to the form, and I just do title, my image, and then description. This is my image, and then I'll choose the image to upload. So let's just choose that one and hit an upload image button. And the image has been uploaded, and let's go to Telegram and check. And it says that a new image has been uploaded, but I think it needed to have uploaded this. Okay, there's something that you did wrongly. This one here, instead of using this text in the Telegram send message method, we just we used it in the method that is going to flash after uploading the image. So let's just cut this and then paste it up here, and then after that you are going to now use that here. So we are going to use that text here, but after that you have to replace this one. Just that is the message that is going to the front end after somebody has uploaded the image. It's going to say the image uploaded successfully. So let's save again and give it a try. So let's go back and upload another image. And then you choose the image and hit an upload button, and the image has been uploaded successfully. So let's save to the Telegram and see if, and there we go, a beautiful image, and then this is a beautiful image. So the image. Now we have the title and then you have the description. Okay, so what you're going to do to style that is this. So let's go back to the text, and what you're going to do, you're going to break. So the pass mode is HTML. So the pass mode is HTML, and I guess that if we put here break, it's going to take this description to the new line. So let's have that and do it again. So go back to the browser, and then again let's just hit an upload image button again. Looks like we are going to have an error, and it's because of this break tag here. So you can just remove that and just concatenate with the description. So you have the title, you can concatenate with the space. Okay, you can just concatenate with that like that. So you have the title and we have the description. So let's save that, and if we go back and refresh, we should go through and just uploaded the image. And if we go to the Telegram group, you find that we have the image title and then you have the image description. So we are done with that. But then I had promised that we are going to, after uploading the image, we are going to upload the title and the description and also the image to the Telegram. So the functionality that is remaining is the one for sending the image. Right now you're just sending the title and the description. Okay. But you can do this, you can do something to style this better. So you can do just the title, and then we can do this. You can do a new image has been uploaded to your site, like that. And then you have to concatenate the image title. So let's just do that, and then go to the next line and then do image title, and that you are going to concatenate with the request title. And then after that we just do new line here again. Just the new line, and then we are going to concatenate that to description. We are going to concatenate that to description. Just hit on this, and it's going to be image image description. We are going to concatenate that description like that, right? So we have the, like if upload an image, it's going to send this message, a new image has been uploaded to your site, and then we have the image title, it's going to be the title, and then new line, and then the image description is going to do to do the image description and then send the description down, and then down here. So let's save that and try it again. I will go back to the form and just hit on upload image button. It has been uploaded, and let's go to the Telegram and see the message that has been sent. And there you go, very great. So it's saying an image has been uploaded to your site. So the image title is this one, and the image description is this one. So that is the part of sending the message. But what about the part of sending the image itself? So let's head back to the code, and as you can see, the Telegram SDK, we have the method of send message, but we also have another method, and that method is called send. That method, we have the send image, and then you have the one for sending photo. Okay, and it's going to take the chat ID, and after chat ID, the input file, right? So what you have to do is to first import that method here. The same way we imported the Telegram, we have to import input file. And how do you do that? You just do use Telegram and then /bot/file upload, and then \input file. So for us to be able to send a message, make sure that you do this just just after the use Telegram. You have to use this so that you can be able to access files, right? So after that, you go back after sending the message. Of course, now we are going to send the image. So just do Telegram, and then use that method send photo, and of course you have to pass there some parameters, right? And the first one is the chat ID. So chat ID, that is going to be the same as the one that we used here. So this is going to be .env Telegram chat ID, just that way. And then the next parameter is photo, and the photo is the one that you are going to use the input file. So what you do, just do input file, and then create from contents. Use create from contents method, and then in there I will just use file underscore get contents, file get contents, and then we are going to pass the exact path where the image is located. And to do that, you remember while you are writing the code for uploading the image, we had the path. So for us to get the exact location of the image, you have to concatenate this path, and then we have to concatenate it with the new image here. Okay, so you have to concatenate path and the new image, because the new image, every time we upload the image, it is going to be saved as the new image. That is, we did it time, we concatenated time, the time that the image was uploaded and the name of the image. So if we enter this folder and find this whatever image that was uploaded at specific time, we are going to get the exact location of that image. So meaning that here you have to concatenate path dot new image, and so path that new image, and how are we going to name it? So it is going to be, what is the name of the image? It is new image, right? So we have path stock new image, and then that image, the image's name is the new image. So I really don't know if you understand this, but basically this is the path to the image. If you can be able to get the exact path to that image, then you can just replace that, and this is going to take the name of the image. So this is going to be the name of the image. So you can just replace it with the string, and still it's going through. It will go through. So after that, let's just save it and go back and test. So in the previous test, there was no image being uploaded, because we are only uploading the image title and the image description, but you have not uploaded the image. So this is the time to test that functionality. And we head back to the browser, go back to the form, and hit upload image button again, and see what happens. It has gone. They say the image uploaded successfully. And if we head back to the Telegram, and there we go, we have the new image uploaded to your site, the image description, image title, and then you have the image here now, right? So let's try with another image. So just go back, I'll upload my name, so I just do, and then I'll do, this is my profile image. Then I can choose the file. So I'll go to the I just go to the desktop, and then scroll down and look for image. Let me take that, and then hit an upload image button, and say the image has been uploaded successfully. And let's head to the Telegram and see, and there we go, the image description, that is this one here, this is the profile image. Then you see the image has been sent to Telegram. So basically that is how you connect your Laravel application with the Telegram group or channel. It's not something that is too complicated. If you are an intermediate Laravel developer, it's very simple to write that functionality, where you can use this for live updates. For example, if you are a frequent user of Telegram, you can link it with your application, so that you can keep updating your Telegram group every time a user interacts with your application. So you can know logged in, you can know the time they logged in, you can be sending the button they clicked on. So there are a lot of things that you can do, not just limited to sending the title or the whatever you've done here. So there are a lot of things that you can do with the Telegram-bot SDK. And if you want to go into more details, you can check the the documentation of the Laravel Telegram bot SDK, right? So that is it for now, this tutorial. And in the next tutorial, I think we are going to look at how we can generate PDFs, or how we can generate reports using Laravel. Thank you so much, and let's meet in the next tutorial.